इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अस्मा's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really yummy snack recipe of masala fried bread. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there is recipe card in the end of the video. So here are the ingredients. You will need water as required, some bread slices, salt 1 teaspoon, oil 2 teaspoon, white cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, gram flour 1¼ cup. Now add white cumin seeds into gram flour and chaat masala, chili flakes, salt. Now mix all dry ingredients really well. Then add oil. And mix again. Then add water and keep mixing it. Mix it really well and make smooth batter. Batter should not be so thick or so thin. It should be on normal consistency. Now batter is completely smooth. Keep it aside. Now remove brown crust from bread slices. Then slice them vertically like this. And keep putting it on a platter. After slicing the bread, heat up oil for deep frying and again mix this batter. Then dip bread slice into batter and put into heated oil. And do same with all the bread slices. and fry them. After 5 minutes, change its side and keep frying it on medium heat. Now they are golden from both sides and ready to be taken out. And fry all bread slices in the same way. Now I am serving it with tomato ketchup and lettuce. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button, share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.